Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to disable internet speed indicator on Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down. Here you can see display and brightness. Press on this. Now scroll down and go to status bar. If you want to disable internet speed indicator on your Android phone, you just have to turn off the button of show real-time network speed. That's it. So this is how to disable internet speed indicator on Android device. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.